Oh, Void Seed.
White seed versus black seed.
It's a void item Yomi here, just saying.
Ooh, gimme, gimme, gimme.
This is a nice little printer right here.
Oh, is it lens?
It's Mocha.
No.
Floating
Roll a
Mocha.
penny printer. Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it's at. Fuck
That's
yeah.
the stuff. That is the stuff.
There is a
If there's stuff, that is it.
void touched
Oh, you
Templar
poor
over there,
bastard,
just
it
saying.
used your lens.
Aw, man. I think I'm gonna keep my bleed though. I
Wait,
might.
so where's the thing? Oh, it's over there. Yoink!
Lost my opal.
Wait, where's the other thing?
Yes, I took my fireworks. Good.
Where's the barnacle? Or whatever.
I don't
Is
know.
it this? Is it this? I don't... How do you
I was
take
not
off void
expecting-
field effect?
You don't. You just don't get hit. I'm not joking, you actually just don't get hit.
From the void field?
Yeah, just don't go in it.
But yeah, I thought you were talking about collapse.
All you gotta do to disable that field is kill all the void things.
Oh, I see. Stop doing that.
Oh! That's a Dios.
I hate how logs are so expensive. Ooh, gas tank.
Oh, look at this!
Oh, there's the void set flame.
Ironic.
You still owe me one item, just saying.
Huh.
This is like a forever debt you'll have to pay eventually.
Okay, can I have an item?
You spend money, ho? Sorry, you
Yes.
broke.
Yum.
Oh no, I fell off the map.
He's so cute.
Oh, but
I wasted
they got
a
replaced by
bottle.
bomb.
When is that fucking grenade gonna detonate? Holy shit, it takes way too long.
It's like 2 seconds.
That's way too long.
Yeah, you're kind of right, but like, it's not 2 seconds. Exaggeration.
Aw, left on Daisy.
Found a Port Hale. You know, I have the dollar bills. Oh, and
We got 2 chests here if you want some.
the man left. Ooh, red item. I got a. Oh,
That's pretty neat.
oh yeah, that.
Oh,
that-
Butterdog left?
Yes.
But he left like a long time
It was like less than 3
Yeah.
minutes.
ago. That's still a long time. That's a joke. Yeah.
It's a joke. Lol.
Sound really
Ar,
big.
ar, ar, ar.
I think I'll turn all my white items into mocha.
I can
Ah, there's
use
my
this
lens
with the
maker if I want.
medalist. Ugh.
This is a nice build I have. Summering. I'm doing the Commando Blood Loss build.
Yeah, Fish, I'm gonna dedicate this entire side of the stage just so you like get items, because you have the uncanny ability to not get them.
Yes.
Man, I was gonna do the mocha printer.
God fuck it! Why'd you do that?
And let me just go walk over there real quick.
That's mending wisps.
Thank you, Mary. Yeah.
Those are actually blind casts.
I don't care.
Wait, Nitro's here?
Apparently so. How's that not detonate?
Get them babies.
Okay, he's doing the big boom of 87.
I'm gonna show this dude the bullet of 84.
Okay, kind of.
Take that bleed.
Okay, what's up with all the damage? What's up with all the damage? I'm dead. Live.
What do we get?
Give me an item. Give me an item. Give me
Rose
an item.
buckler.
Both of them. Sorry, I'm greedy. I hurt the economy.
You're hurting the. Yeah, you're hurting the economy.
The economy is just everyone. It's like communism besides fish.
Exactly, bro.
Like everyone gets items besides them.
Yeah, people won't give me fucking items. That's why I died first round.
Well, you're kind of like not getting the items first round.
You died round one.
My brother in Christ just get items first round.
No, it's because you guys jack up all the chests.
Wait, okay, we're not jacking up all the chests. Because I always end up finding more chests.
Not in a literal sense, but you guys do take most of the chests.
Okay, never mind. Fish has quite a bit of items.
Just take them. Let me go do them.
Oh, they have alien head. That's nice.
I'm actually debating on the sticky bomb printer just because turrets shoot fast. They can shoot faster.
Medication drone. Ooh, delicate watch.
Where's the mocha printer? It's up there.
Ooh, lens maker. Ooh, go hoof. Ooh.
Okay, Fish, just
Okay.
so you're not underpowered, there's 3 items over here for you.
I'll take a depth. Oh, I got executive card, by the way.
Yeah, just so Medalist doesn't get confused, those 3 items are fishes. Do not pick them up.
He literally just picked up the scrap, I think. Did you pick up the scrap?
Scrap?
Yeah.
What scrap?
I guess he's just making it.
Huh?
That was actually
where-
like the
where my
best.
items
Did you just wake up?
Where my items at?
Huh?
Oh.
Are you schizo?
I just witnessed a
Fuck
tab
you.
unit
God,
friendly
dude.
fired another tab unit.
I have no items!
I don't care. Stop being
you
broke.
Told me get items.
Stop being
You told me
broke.
you told me to get items, and I didn't
No,
get
these
them.
items.
Oh.
Oh, it's too late. You're not gonna grab them, so just like